this thing last night when I was cooking dinner. Starting to act up on me. I was getting probably 25% flame. So before we can have coffee this morning, we need to see what's going on here. So I'll be right back. Okay. Found one of these in my stash. That's my first thing. Put a new generator in. So let's see what we could do. This little crescent wrench, this little rigid. My dad gave it to me when I was 5. He'd be proud of me right now. What is son doing back here? Let you guys watch. I need to find my glasses. Oh no. Oh yeah. Let's pull this down a little bit out of the way. That is pressured. Do a little test hit over here. Make sure that valve is clear. We got a clear valve. All right, this ought to be interesting. I knew that was going to be interesting. Okay. All right, got me a 12. 12 over the stem. Well, that was easy. See what this thing looks like in here. Oh yeah, we're stuck. I need glasses still. All right, be right back. Perfect, I could see. Oh, that was easy. Yeah, this thing feels burnt up, guys. I filled up my gas can with some leftover lantern fuel, like from 20 different lanterns, just adding in, and could be a little contaminated for that to go south so quickly. But I'll repair that one and put it back in. All right. There we go. That one looks pretty good. All right. Get that back out again. And the generator nut. Yeah. Hey, don't blow away. I'll need you later. Let's use that for like a little pry bar. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it works. I'm half dead this morning. I struggle with arthritis. It takes me a good cup of coffee to get going. I lined up all this stuff. Put that back on. Sorry, I should have showed you a little bit better. If you'd like to see a really detailed video of how to fix your little 502, I could show you everything from pump valves, how to repack valves. Don't over tighten these. Still has a good pressure. Oh, that feels so much better for some reason. Tighten up the packing. Go ahead and close that. Sounds good. Again, I put this on the burner. I don't put this on the generator. I'll go ahead and heat up this. I'll hit the generator a little bit. For some reason it works great now. Thank you, Pops. Oh, you a beer. That's the deal.